Well, I took a gamble with this air conditioning compressor and it didn't pay off. If I wipe my hand underneath, feel the oil on my hand, and have a listen. Front seal. Just got to start it and run it a little bit and it'll stop leaking until it runs out of oil, and then it'll cease. I've priced a new compressor, so when it gets low on gas I'll change it. It's been like this for a month. See, running it a bit gets the oil onto the seal again and they'll hold the gas in. It's been leaking for weeks, but surprisingly it still works okay. Oh, it's got a nice sweaty suction line and no more leak at the moment, but yes, I'm going to have to do that. It'll probably only last a few more weeks, I'd say, if that, and we're getting some nasty hot weather coming up soon, so it'll probably shit itself on me during that, you know, knowing how things go. But yeah, oh well, gamble didn't pay off.